guys, welcome back to my channel for another Halloween inspired video. So we are in my kitchen right now. We're gonna do some Disney cocktail hour today. So a lot of these drinks that I'm gonna share with you are Disney inspired, as well as a bunch that I've created myself. So we've got obviously a good margarita. We've got a smoked Negroni. I called it like a smoky, ghosty graveyard, I think. All of the titles will be shared, as well as all the recipes that include the Disney Poison Apple TINI, the Trader Sam's Shrunken Zombie Head. Like, I've got a bunch of them for you guys. So I'm gonna share them all, share how I made them. And if that's something you guys wanna see, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, I hope that you enjoyed the Halloween cocktail video. I wanted to mention that if you have little ones, you can obviously just do sparkling water and coloring, food coloring. And also, I did this exact video last year with a slew of other drink recipes as well as a Hocus Pocus drinking game. So if you want to check that out, I can link it down below. If you have your own amazing drink recipe or a Disney drink recipe that you found, definitely comment it down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you love the Halloween vibes, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye dudes!